it's Dr. Meyer coming to you from East Bay Disc Centers in Concord, and today I'm going to demonstrate foam rolling technique for the upper back, or what we call the thoracic spine. So really easy to do, and I recommend this to probably the majority of my patients. The upper back, you know, everything in life we're forward for. We eat this way, we text, and we look at our phone or pad, or everything else is just mostly forward, our work. And so the upper back tends to start rounding like this. Foam rolling is a great way to help us reverse that a little bit. We're never going to get a curve that goes in the other direction, nor do we want that, but we want to do something that helps keep the spine mobile, and so that we're not so stuck like this. So we're going to take the foam roller laying on our floor, and we're going to lean back right at the bottom of our rib cage. I really don't like rolling the lowest part of our spine. It's already curved like this. I don't want to increase that. So you lean back against it, you lift your butt up off the floor, you relax your head back, and you roll down until essentially you hit your head. If you have to move your feet, you can do that. And then you roll back up till you get to the bottom of the rib cage, and you repeat this up and down, up and down. I like to suggest 20 repetitions. I also would like for everybody to change their arm position while they're doing this, so that we can move the muscles around and cover different areas with the roller. So for some of it, let's say if we're doing 20 reps, maybe do the first third like this, then do the next third maybe with the arms out like this, and then the remaining 7 or so with the arms above your head like that. If you want to hold your head up like this, that's fine. If you feel like you get something beneficial out of that, which even I do sometimes, that's perfectly fine, but you want to make sure you still have the time where everything is relaxed back, so that you get that benefit of reducing that forward curve. So that's it. About 20 repetitions up and down once a day or more should go a long way to helping you maintain a healthy thoracic spine. Thanks for watching.